Hey! Hey, what you doing? Get your brother, get the ball. Come over here and play with your brother. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Well, get the pillow. Come here, Snook. Snook. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Jack's going to attack the pillow. Get it, Jack. Oh, goodness. What's he doing, Snook? He's a crazy dog. He's a crazy dog. Get it, Jack. He's nuts, huh, Snook? It's Jack nuts. He's a crazy dog. Here, Jack. Get the ball. Get the ball. I know, I can't throw you the ball in the house, Snook. And it's late, so tomorrow we play ball again. What'd he say, Jack? Jack, what'd he say? What's going on, buddy? Jack. Oh, Jack, you're something else. It's almost midnight and he's wanting to play. Get your brother. I can't believe he hasn't torn his bed to shreds. Come here, Snook. Snook. Snook, come here. Come in. Go play with your brother. Go play with your brother. I'm not going to play ball. Go play with your brother. You're just going to leave. Okay. Where'd he go, Jack? Where'd he go? Where's Snook? Oh, gosh. Attack. Oh, gosh. Jack, you're crazy.